An instructor sent me a Word document with some questions and wanted to know how to create a quiz. So I was just starting it off, assembling it, and I thought, you know what, I'll let you take a snapshot of this and see how I'm adding some questions. So I've got a Word document open, but on top of that, I, of course, went to quizzes once you get to your Canvas. And of course, just like documents or creating a assignment or an announcement, you'll always have a blue button up in the corner, right? So I clicked plus quiz or add a quiz, right? So I've got it started here already because I wanted to, and that's why I thought I'd give you a little insight here and watch me do the steps of adding questions. So let's do that. I'm going to have to go back to edit here a second. You might even find a quicker way to do this, but right, I named it. I could put in some quiz instructions here, but as you can see, I've added some questions, pasted them in there. Most of these are starting off for true or false. This can be changed. The points can be changed. You can do that with one click, kind of a global hit. So I'm going to go to the next question. Let's see, new question. And I clicked new question. Now what do? I'm going to click off my browser, and there's my questions underneath there, right? All right, so the last question was number 7, I believe. Yep. And so let's just check just to make sure. An individual does not have, okay. An individual does not have, okay. So here I am. I wanted to give you a little insight. Control C, I've copied it to RAM. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the choice to true or false, right? The question type. I'm just going to go Control V and paste it in there. And this is the big step that I want to make sure everyone knows here. You've got to click Update Question. You know, that could be false, right? Could be true. I'm going to show the instructor how to do that, how to change it true or false. But I'm going to click Update Question, right? That's the main thing you want to do, okay? Click Update Question. And there, we've added a question. Always make sure you save it. But that's the one thing everyone forgets to do is to update the question. You know, I'm just gonna add one more here just to show you. I'm gonna go over here, close the browser off, go back to the Word document, copy the question. Open up the browser, go to questions, right? So I'm just doing a few here to get the instructor started. True or false, right? Paste it in. And I wasn't told if they were true or false, the correct answer. So I'm gonna instruct the instructor how to do that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and update the question. And then I'm gonna save it. So I just want to give you a little insight how to add questions to a quiz, right? You can, preview it if you want, take it from there, right? And the student will go through the questions and do that. So just want to let you know that. You can put it in a module or assignment, wherever the instructor wants to put it. So I just want to give you a little insight. This is Mr. Mac out. Please email me with any questions. Thanks so much.